Welcome to day 2 of SIMA Awards 2025. We are once again here and today we are celebrating the Tamil and the Malayalam industry. There are a lot of recognitions, a lot of big stars that we'll be meeting here at the red carpet. Let's go. So it's really excited to see you here at SIMA 2025. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you. I'm also excited because actually this is my first SIMA because last 13 years I was doing this film, my God Life. So this is my first attempt.
So the way SIMA celebrates South Indian cinema worldwide, what are your thoughts about it?
It's a very good concept because this South Indian, in Malayalam, Tamil, Telugu, all artists, technicians are interchanging and all are working together. So for that, only for South India, that's a great thing.
What is next in line from you? We are always excited to see your projects.
Yeah, I am also thinking that's in the final process only.
Something will be coming soon.
Yes.
Great, sir. Thank you so much for talking to us. Hello, excited to be at SIMA 2025.
Yeah.
You look very cool and comfortable. So did you plan your look in advance or was it like a last minute thing?
Actually, to be very frank, I have planned my look. First time in my life for an event, I have planned something like this.
Yeah, like weeks in advance, huh?
Wore my comfortable clothes, normal pants and shirt like that. I don't like to wear shoes and all. I feel like somebody is holding me now. So, but sometimes you have to be like this. So many of my friends told me to do this, and my wife insisted me to do this definitely this time. So we have set this look.
Does your wife tell you there's one fashion rule that you should always follow on red carpets, or do you have some rule like that?
No, nothing like that. I just wanted to be myself. Whichever I am comfortable.
Okay, tell me what is exciting you tonight at SIMA Awards?
No, for this film which I have been nominated on Vale, it's a very special film from Mari Selvaraj and team. So I'm waiting for that. I've been nominated.
Congratulations on the nomination. It's truly deserved. If you win, where is the party tonight?
Yes.
Where will be the party? We are coming.
The Paramount. Please join us. Yeah.
Thank you so much for talking to us. Looking absolutely ravishing on the red carpet, yeah. Has this look been planned for weeks or was it like a last minute thing?
We just planned it like for last week. My stylist Vinod worked on it for me.
So you liked all the sparkling stuff on the red carpet, huh? Is there like
After doing a lot of concerts, it's become something normal.
become a thing?
Yeah.
And it's something you have to learn from uncle also, right? Great. Tell me, what are you looking forward to the most at SIMA 2025?
I'm rooting a lot for Amaran because there's a lot of nominations for Amaran, so really rooting for the film.
Superb. And what can we see coming from you in the future?
A lot of films are coming up this year. Idli Kada is coming up. Then again, 2 films with Dulquer. And then Surya Sir's film. A lot of films are coming up.
Great. Thank you so much for talking to us. Right. Excited to be here at SIMA 2025.
Yes. We've been here a couple of years and it's always fun to come to SIMA, and especially with our close friends Vishnu Induri and Brinda doing a great job in organizing this.
It's a good opportunity to connect with your industry people also. And you meet people across South India. So it's
Not just meet, I think it's a great platform that is celebrating South Indian cinema worldwide, right? What are your thoughts?
So the idea with SIMA was to present South Indian cinema as being globally influencer, right? So I think SIMA does a great job of that, and having it in a place like Dubai, which has population from the south, from the north, from all over the world, makes sense.
And we love seeing great movies coming from you, and we hope we'll have more and more in the future. Thank you so much. Welcome to SIMA 2025. You look very cool and comfortable. Was this a planned look or you just decided last minute this is what I want to wear?
This is how it is. I like to be comfortable within myself. So, जो है वो मिल गया ये शर्ट मिला मम्मी ने दिया था यार. Mom gave it to me. So.
Tell me, whose performance for you has been like something that you were awestruck by over the past year?
So I always believe that when it comes to cinema, it is a very subjective space to be. Every actor performs to his capacity, and every performance is very different. I personally don't believe in comparing performances because we all do it in our own little ways. But since it is a platform that kind of brings people recognized, so it is just being the luckier one will get it. That's it.
If you could swap your role with someone else for a day, who would that be and why?
Again, I don't know. I mean, but it could be anybody. I mean, whoever wants to take the best, I mean, they can.
Perfect. Thank you so much. You look stunning, like I was saying. Was this like a planned look for weeks or was it?
Definitely. I heard about Saima and I was like, I'm going to wear my mom's old sari. This is like a 30-year-old sari of my mom's. She used to wear this when she dropped me at school. And I used to be so like, I don't know, in love with it. Whenever she would wear, I'll be wearing my uniform like, like that. And so today I feel very happy that I'm wearing it.
Such an emotional moment for you, right? So tell me, how excited are you to be at SIMA 2025? What do you think of this platform that celebrates South Indian cinema globally, worldwide?
I think there is something to be said about the fact that SIMA started at a time when there was more of a divide about calling every other language cinema in India regional cinema. And now there's a lot of pan-Indian talks and there's a lot more acceptance and OTTs come and all that. So SIMA started doing this way before, where there was a collective focus on celebrating South Indians films without putting it in a category of, oh, this South Indian, that's North Indian kind of a thing. So kudos to them for continuing to do that. And also this time I'm very excited because I have 2 nominations, one in Tamil and one in Malayalam. So I feel extremely lucky and blessed.
If there is one person, you could say one person for each for your nominations. If you would dedicate this nomination to, who would that be?
Actually, currently, and I think most of the time I feel this, one Malayalam movie I want to dedicate it to my co-star Urvish Chechi because she is the reason I got to be as good as in the movie. Obviously, my director is the reason I got the role, but she really is the reason. I look up to her. She is my hero. As an actor, I feel like she's our Meryl Streep. So I'll dedicate it to her. And Gangamal and Tangalan, it's to all the women. I feel like when one woman manages to get a role that is so well defined and well written, I think a lot of other female actors win in that process. So it's for all the women.
Wonderful. Last question. If you win maybe once, twice, where's the party tonight?
It's going to be in the room, in my pajamas, having Tair Sadum and going to sleep watching maybe Brooklyn Nine-Nine. That's me.
Great. No problem. Do that and happy Onam to you. So day 2 of SIMA, is it as exciting as day 1 was?
Definitely. Day 2 has Malayalam and Tamil, so I'm super excited.
You look stunning tonight. Who are you wearing?
I'm wearing IKEA tonight. This is a Bombay-based brand, and I'm styled by one of my favorite stylists, Miji. So yeah, really happy to wear this.
Looking incredible and you're just glowing even more with this sari.
Thank you.